you to the second edition of the Netone Albun Honde Valley Marathon. It is in the year 2024, just to make sure that you know we are riding on the same page. Last year it brought up a big number of people, that is 300, and this time around the numbers have doubled. We're expecting about 700 athletes participating in the 4 categories, that is the 5, 10, 21 and 42 kilometer runs. And also this year we have about 3 international athletes that have come through and being a part of this particular program. We realized that we interviewed Rosina, who is also an athlete from Kenya, being part of this particular program. So we would like you to stay tuned as we give you the rest of the proceedings.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You're almost there, guys. You're almost there. Almost there.
Here comes for 2Ks. Here comes for 2Ks. And Moses of Italy.
Push, Papa. Nice one, Papa. 74.